Welcome to today's podcast episode. I'm thrilled to dive into a fascinating topic that's gaining traction in the world of software development: spack, the multi-platform package manager that's designed to simplify complex software installations. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is spack? Imagine you're a chef with an entire kitchen of ingredients, but you want to whip up multiple dishes without ever running out of stock. Well, that's a bit like what spack does for software. It builds and installs different versions and configurations of various software packages across various operating systems like Linux, macOS, Windows, and even supercomputers. Now, what's really cool about spack is its non-destructive nature. You know that feeling when you install an update on your software and it messes up everything? Well, with spack, installing a new version of a package doesn't break existing installations. This means you can have many configurations of the same package coexisting peacefully. Doesn't that sound like a dream? And for those of you who are developers, let's talk about specs, or spack specifications. It provides a simple syntax that lets users specify exactly what they need. It's like having a customized order at your favorite restaurant where you get to choose the ingredients. You can even write package files in pure Python, allowing package authors to create one script that can manage various builds of the same package seamlessly. Now, how do you get started with spack? Well, you'll need Python and Git installed on your system. From there, it's a pretty straightforward process. First, you clone the spack repository using Git. Then you change into the spack directory and, drumroll please, install your first package, zlib. If you're wondering, zlib is a compression library that's pretty important in software development. It's interesting because spack also has a super handy tutorial that covers the spectrum from basic to advanced usage, developer features, and even large high-performance computing deployments. And guess what? You can run the entire tutorial on your laptop using a Docker container. So, if you want to explore spack hands-on, this is a fantastic way to do it. Let's not forget about the community aspect. Spack is an open-source project, and they're welcoming contributions, from new packages to documentation improvements. There are channels like Slack and Matrix where you can chat about spack. Just imagine the ideas and innovations that come from a team of passionate developers sharing experiences and solutions. You might be wondering, how can I contribute? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Just send a pull request, but make sure to follow the style guides and that everything passes spack's unit tests before submitting it. They've set up a robust process to ensure quality, which I think is quite impressive. Now, what if you need stability? Spack also offers stable releases for multi-user site deployments. These releases are vetted and come with their dedicated branches. It's like having a reliable family recipe. You can make adjustments and improvements without worrying about ruining the dish. And a quick note, if you're referencing spack in any academic work or publications, they've even provided a way to cite it properly. You know, it's super important to give credit where it's due, especially considering how much work has gone into developing spack. In closing, spack is more than just a tool. It's a community-driven project that empowers developers to manage software like never before. Imagine the potential for innovation and collaboration this opens up. If you're developing or using software, I invite you to explore spack and see how it can enhance your workflow. Now, as we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you used spack? What's been your experience? Or maybe you're new to it and feel a bit overwhelmed. Don't hesitate to reach out. Join the conversation in our community.